outside. So if I put this piece over here and I put this piece over there, right? Because the holes are here, right? I could do that, but then the doors are going to open. If this piece now becomes this piece, they're going to open inwards, because there is no way to flip that around for. So for now, I'm going to have to put that over there and zip tie that so they can't
open it up.
Well, they'll pull it. They're used to tugging on things. They'll pull that right open. They're not used to pushing. So I hate this. You get all the way to this point and then you got a piece that...
Can't you drill a hole through it?
If I drill a hole through it, then I'm now no longer under warranty.
Right.
And I don't know what that's going to do to the structure of it. Well, I'm just going to have to either... Yeah, I'm going to have to contact them and either send it all back on their dime, or they can send me that piece.
But you can't, I'd say you got to send me a new one before I can send this back to you, because I got to have a cage for the birds.
Right.
All right, I wanted to show folks a video of this bird cage. It is gigantic. It is much lower to the floor than other parakeet cages, which hasn't been a problem, luckily, with our dogs. It gives them a lot of room to fly. I have it set up with 3 main perches. There's one in the upper left. There's one in the middle level to the right. And there's one on the lower area to the left. So that gives them 2 main flight paths to go that way and that way. And then there are also little perches scattered throughout to give them some variety. There's a nice big opening front door, which I love because that's good for training and interacting. I put a half-round perch on the outside so they have a spot to land when they fly back to their cage. Then on the sides, we have these spring-loaded doors. And these are really nice because I can reach anywhere in the cage. There are 2 spring-loaded doors on the top panel on the side, bottom panel on the side, and the same on the other side. So it's easy to reach in and clip veggies and hang lettuce in different places. And yeah, sometimes they get into a big flying frenzy, flying all over the place. And it's really good exercise.
Have a good day. Enjoy your little house, okay? It's not a little house. It's a big house. Yep. Don't get chilled. See you later.
Soon, if they're not here already, I gotta go look. But they got a new house. That's what they were in. Look how small that is. It was okay when it was 1 bird, but 2, no way. This thing is humongous. they're gonna love it. I'm happy. But of course, they're just sitting together in one little corner because of their a-holes.